Davina's card and decide what to do.
Do you want to go to Davina's house?
Yes, I do.
So do I. Come on, let's find the magic emerald. Sam, Jake and Emily go to Davina's house. Look, there's Davina.
Well, Suki, Freddy and I have got the magic emerald with millions now.
Yes, great. Meow. Suddenly the phone rings.
Hello, Freddy. We need to talk Angertry. Let's meet.
What time do you have lunch?
I always have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Fine, let's meet at 12 o'clock then. Bye.
Woof, 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 woof. What's that? Nose? Aha, I know. Is that dog and those children. Come on, Suki, let's find them.
Yes, let's go. Meow.
Oh no, there's Davina.
Quick, hi.
Be quiet, Rusty, please.
Ah!
Look, Davina, she's what?
Nah.
Few.
You a lucky
Escape.
escape.
Yes, but what time is Davina meeting Freddy for lunch?
Yeah.